Technology and livelihood education. Food preparation. Week 7 Part 2. Our topic is substitutes for baking ingredients. Review of the previous lesson. Directions. Identify the baking ingredients shown in the picture. Tell its name and its main use in baking. Substitutes of ingredients in baking. Importance of the different substitute in baking. Have you ever started baking only to discover that you are missing an important ingredient? Does that mean you have to stop baking? Not always. Many baking ingredients have suitable substitutes that can still produce delicious and successful baked products. Ingredient substitutes are alternative ingredients used when the original ingredient is unavailable, too expensive, or unsuitable because of allergies, dietary preferences, or health concerns. While substitutes may slightly change the taste, texture, color, or appearance of a baked product, they often help achieve acceptable and satisfying results. Understanding the importance of different substitutes in baking allows bakers to become more creative, resourceful, and confident in the kitchen. It also helps reduce food waste, save money, and make recipes more accessible for everyone. By learning the proper substitutes and how they affect baked products, students can prepare a variety of baked goods even when certain ingredients are not available. Substituting ingredients in baking means using an alternative ingredient when the original one is not available, limited, or not suitable. These substitutes help achieve similar results in taste, texture, appearance, and function. Importance of substitutes of ingredients in baking. 1. Ensure continuity. It allows baking to continue even if a specific ingredient is unavailable. 2. Meet dietary needs and restrictions. It helps accommodate allergies, intolerances, or lifestyle choice. Gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan. 3. It saves money. Substitutes can be more affordable or use ingredients already available at home. 4. It enhances nutrition. Healthier alternatives can increase fiber, reduce fat, sugar, or calories, making baked goods more nutritious. 5. It maintains quality and function. Good substitutes help retain the texture, moisture, structure, and flavor. 6. Encourage creativity and innovation. Encourages bakers to experiment with new flavors, ingredients, and techniques. Using the right substitutes keeps baking delicious, inclusive, and possible for everyone. The following are the list of ingredient substitutions for cooking and baking. Missing an ingredient? Try this simple swaps from your pantry. Here is the reference for this lesson. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Substitute with 1/4 teaspoon baking soda plus 5/8 teaspoon cream of tartar, or 1/4 teaspoon soda plus half a cup fully soured milk or buttermilk, or 1/4 teaspoon baking soda plus 1/2 tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice used with milk to make half a cup, or 1/4 teaspoon baking soda plus 1/4 to half a cup molasses. Note about molasses: in order for carbon dioxide to be released and cause the product to rise, an acid ingredient must be present to react with the soda. Yeast, active dry, 1 tablespoon. Substitute with 1 package active dry yeast, or 1 compressed yeast cake, whole egg, raw, 1 large. Substitute with 2 egg yolks, or 3 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon thawed frozen egg, or 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons dry whole egg powder plus an equal amount of water. Equivalents: 1 large egg equals 3 tea, 5 large equals 1 cup, 6 medium equals 1 cup. Cream, half-half, 12 to 16% fat, 1 cup. For use in cooking and baking, substitute with 7/8 cup milk and 3 tablespoons butter or margarine, or 1 cup evaporated milk, undiluted. Cream, heavy, 36 to 40% fat, 1 cup, 2 to 2.5 cups whipped. For use in cooking and baking, substitute with 3/4 cup milk and 1/3 cup butter or margarine. Milk, 1 cup. Substitute with 1/3 cup instant non-fat dry milk plus 1 cup minus 1 tablespoon water, or 3 tablespoons sifted regular non-fat dry milk plus 1 cup minus 1 tablespoon water. Milk, sweetened, condensed, 1 can equals 1 and 1/3 cup. Substitute with 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons dry milk plus half a cup warm water, mix well, add 3/4 cup sugar and 3 tablespoons melted butter or margarine. Stir until smooth. Or 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons evaporated milk, 1 cup sugar and 3 tea melted butter. Buttermilk or sour milk, 1 cup. Substitute with 1 tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice plus enough milk to make 1 cup. Let stand 5 minutes. Or 1 3/4 teaspoons cream of tartar plus 1 cup milk, or 1 cup plain yogurt, sour cream, 1 cup. Substitute with 1 cup plain yogurt, or 7/8 cup sour milk plus 1/3 cup butter. Granulated sugar, 1 cup. Substitute with 1 cup corn syrup, 1 cup molasses, or 3/4 cup honey, decrease liquid called for in recipe by 1/4 cup, or 1 cup brown sugar, firmly packed. For each cup of honey in baked goods, add 1/2 teaspoon soda. Equivalent 1 pound granulated sugar equals 2 1/4 cups, brown sugar, 1 cup, firmly packed. Substitute with 1 cup granulated sugar. Equivalent 1 pound brown sugar equals 2 1/4 cups firmly packed. Corn syrup, 1 cup. Substitute with 1 cup sugar plus 1/4 cup water, honey, 1 cup. Substitute 1 1/4 cup sugar plus 1/4 cup water. Flour used as thickener, 1 tablespoon. Substitute with 1/2 tablespoon cornstarch, potato starch, rice starch or arrowroot starch, or 1 tablespoon quick cooking tapioca. Flour is a pantry staple that is always worth keeping on hand and buying in bulk. All-purpose flour, 1 cup sifted. Substitute with 1 cup unsifted all-purpose flour minus 2 tablespoons, or 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons cake flour. Equivalent 1 pound equals 4 cups sifted or 3 1/3 cups unsifted. Shortening, solid, 1 cup. For use in baking, substitute with 7/8 cup lard, or 1 1/8 cups butter or margarine, decrease salt in recipe by 1/2. Shortening, melted, 1 cup. Substitute with 1 cup cooking oil. Cooking oil, 1 cup. Substitute with 1 cup melted shortening, butter, 1 cup. Substitute with 1 cup margarine, or 7/8 to 1 cup hydrogenated fat plus 1/2 teaspoon salt, or 7/8 cup lard plus 1/2 teaspoon salt, or 4/5 cup bacon fat, clarified, or 3/4 cup chicken fat, clarified, or 7/8 cup oil. Allspice, 1 teaspoon. Substitute with 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon. Substitute with 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/8 teaspoon allspice and 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg. Chocolate, 1 ounce. Substitute with 3 tablespoons cocoa plus 1 tablespoon fat, semi-sweet chocolate, 1 ounce. Substitute with 1/2 ounce baking chocolate plus 1 tablespoon sugar, cocoa, 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons. Substitute with 1 ounce, square, unsweetened chocolate, decrease fat called for in recipe by 1/2 tablespoon. Cornstarch, for thickening, 1 tablespoon. Substitute with 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, or 2 tablespoons granular tapioca, lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. Substitute with 1/2 teaspoon vinegar. Substitution can change the flavor, color, texture, or volume, but will still result in an acceptable finished product. Directions. For each ingredient given, write 1 or more common substitutes you can use in baking.
This is Dr. Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Maylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.